Hi, my name is Simon Leduc. I'm the product manager for Clockaudio North America. At this show, we're launching a tabletop USB microphone, which is the same as our lineup of integrated products, 8 integrated USB preamps. So at ISC, we mentioned different combinations you could do with our USB interface, either a boundary mic, either a modular gooseneck, that helps to cancel out with the rejection of the cardioid, your mechanical keyboard, or a good old slimline microphone. There's a lot of solutions you can go with for gooseneck. We have over 290 combination of goosenecks and also some boundaries, so there's a lot to choose from. Now, the star of the show we've launched is the CUB-33. So CUB-33, it's a USB base with a gooseneck that has some pretty cool features that is oriented towards Zoom. Now, how often have you had a meeting and your audio was bad the whole meeting and you had to wait till the end of the meeting till someone tells you your microphone was clipping the whole time? I'm terrified of that, personally. I had nightmares about this happening. So we added a VU meter in the touch button to mute so that you can always tell if your microphone is clipping or not. Because if you're moving your microphone further or closer, you're actually changing your gain structure. So by having the VU meter, you're able to tell if your signal is good or not. As well, these solutions do local muting, meaning if a hacker gains access to your computer, they won't be able to unmute your microphone from the Windows mixer because in this case, the sound is muted at the mic and not in Windows. So it's great for that. It's also Zoom mute sync compatible, meaning if I push my mute button, the status will follow inside Zoom. So really nice, built like a tank. Uses a Kensington lock, and if you want to lock it down, so like the red stapler, nobody steals your microphone at work, you can lock it down to your desk. And we use a Type B USB connector because it's very rugged. So thank you for your time. Our website is www.clockaudio.com. Thank you. Have a nice show.